Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, it's Anthony here. It's got a little bit marked up on my chart. This is the US30 4-hour time frame. What I've done is I've just gone back on the daily and picked up this range here. It's a support level, and we've also got a daily distribution level up here. The other thing we have on the daily is this. I'll go out there and I'll show you what I've got. This is what I'm picking up here. It's this green candle high low here on the daily time frame, and it's the same thing if we look left. Also on the daily we've got this price gap. If you have a look at this candle, the candle left low, the candle right the high, the gap, pull it through, point of interest. This could look to trade back into these levels at some stage soon. I am short. I got a position in, and I'm also looking for an opportunity if it pulls back up a little bit to build on that and trade short. So that's what we've got on the daily. I think that's a 4-hour. We'll just go down to the 4-hour and I'll show you what I've marked up on this time frame. Okay, so the shorter term we've got this 4-hour gap in here. So looking at this red candle, okay, look left and look right, mark up the low and the high. There it is. We've also got this 4-hour order block here. Okay, this green candle, price gap under, bearish, lower highs, lower lows on the 4H. Definitely a point of interest. It wouldn't surprise me we see this actually move back up, looking for liquidity in around these levels. So I've set up this sell zone backing through this range for short. So that's what I'm looking at. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, have a look at the link below the video in my description signature thing. Join my free Discord group. Great value. I'd love to see you in there. With this, there's a couple of things. We've got this 4-hour price gap up here. So this daily order block and nested price gap, that's point of interest. It's midweek, and I'm thinking we might get a little bit more downside. It could be wrong, but generally midweek we'll see the trend play out. It is trading into support, and possibly Friday, Monday we might see if this does spike back up into these levels. That could be, well, that's what I'm kind of thinking. That's my thought process with this. So I'm interested in shorting it here, give it a shot, see how it plays out. Stop gets hit, it doesn't matter. But you got to kind of sum up the chart and come up with some sort of a plan, and I think that would be it for me at this point. It's a day trade, maybe a couple of days. If we get it, I'm in, build my position a little bit if it trades back up, and let's see if we get something out of it today, tomorrow, something like that. What else can I tell you about this? I mean, that's the play that I'm looking at. Go down to a 5-minute, and I'll be watching this around these times here. So we have, okay, here's the London Open. We've got this range. We've had a little bit of a, not much, but a little bit of a dip under the range, a bit of a dip, a pullback. These lower highs have got me interested, so let's just see if that continues. Pull back up, it's come back for another stab at it, righto. Slightly higher, see how it traded slightly above? Goes for a bit of a liquidity grab above here. Right? So my thing with this is that it's looking short. Okay, we've got these lower highs, lower low. If we see this trade up into, say, the Asia close and it rolls over here, I think that's going to be the opportunity. And then I'll be looking for profits, probably as if it does, if we get the play down into the New York Open. All right, something that's what I'm looking at, guys. That's what I'm seeing on the chart. I think that more or less wraps it up. Again, join Discord. The link is below, and let's see how this plays out. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.